3 equal 3, 4 equal 18, 5 equal 15, then 6 equal what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell, because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. Now 3 equal 3. How? So here we are going to learning about factorial. So everyone knows about factorial, but do you know about double factorial? In double factorial, what you have to do, actually in single factorial, you will write 3 times 2 times 1. But in double factorial, you have to write it by skipping one digit. So it's 3 times 1. So 3 double factorial is 3 times 1, which is 3. Now comes to 4 double factorial, which we will write 4 times, skip 3, then write 2, which is 8. Here on the question is also 8. Now 5 to 15. 5 double factorial. 5 times, we have to skip 4, then write 3, then skip 2, then write 1. This is 15. So what is the value of 6? 6 double factorial, 6 times 4 times 2, which is equals to 48. So what replace the question mark? 48. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.